It ain't got no gas in it.
You see there, Scooter? Things are the simplest things first.
Okay, I wanted to show you how I was going to check, see if these are bent. Well, the main thing is, look at them. They don't look bent. I'm going to stand on that side, I'm going to stand on this side, and see if they rock. They rock about the same. Yep, they're touching both sides. Either they're both bent, or it's perfect. I think them are then. I'll get a measurement from there to there. I mean, down to the ground, and then we'll know for sure if it's bent that way, but I think they're okay. But we're going to go ahead and take off the triple tree now. You got the big nut here, which was loose. And like I said, I'm going to put all these nuts right back to where they were. Triple tree may not be any good. Pretty sure. Well, I gotta tell you let's see. Let's take this thing part off of here first. We got this little piece back here. See if we can get it off first, because this is your ignition switch right here. I want to get that off first, if I can. I got new tools coming. You know, some of you guys go, I can't do that, I ain't got the tools. You know what I say to that? Perfect time to go buy more tools. Yep, that's what I think. So I got new tools ordered. I thought that'd be too small. My gosh. It ain't the same size as the others. It's smaller or bigger. Or better than that one. Let's see. Yeah, the new tools I got coming are some Allens. Long extension, extra long Allens is what I got coming. So I can hook them up to my wrenches, electric wrenches, and just take stuff off. Okay. What the heck? I finally found a tight bolt on it. What do you know? First tight bolt we found. And it is tight. Alright, we got that off. Well, we're hoping this is good. I don't know how to check it. If it's good, I guess. We'll figure that out later. I think I need to maybe clean it off a little bit, so we'll just set her up here for now. Get back onto this. Let's see if we can get... My goodness. Wow. Hey, that ain't tight. That's for sure. This has got little keepers on it so you can drive your screwdriver around and make it nice and tight. But no, I don't think so. Lift that up. There we go. There, we got a hard spot. Okay, we need a pair of locking pliers. Nope, it's going to be difficult to the end here, which is okay. Ain't got nothing else to do. How is you guys' winter doing? I think I can get that off a pair of pliers now. Might be the trick. See if we can grab a hold of it and then just twist it like that. And we got her now. Now before I take it all the way off, let's see what else we got hooked onto it that we don't want going with it. Okay, let's take that brake system off. Okay, we'll put that one back up in there where it came from. Okay, the brakes is off. Everything else seems to be unhooked from the triple tree. Let's drop them off. Let's drop them off. And we'll put the whole triple tree sus together, back together. Here we got the bearing. I'm going to get a different hammer for that. I don't want to screw that up. These threads are still good. Let's see what we got. See what we got. There's the bearing. Right there. Okay. Okay, what's hitting you? What are you hitting? Something is holding it in there. What could it be? We got anything? Other wires? No. No wires. What is, are you holding it up? Huh. Maybe that's hitting it. I don't know. Let's take it apart and see. Another part to take off. What do we got? The Allen. Okay, can we get to that one from there? Probably not. Okay, let's get this. I don't know what's holding that up, unless the damn frame's so bent that it won't come out. I don't think it's this. Oh, it was that. Oh, okay. Okay, we got her now. That was what was hidden. There we go. That's a keeper. And this is a keeper. Whew. Hey, it's got grease. What do you know? Got some grease on it. Let's get that off. Way more than I need to store it. All right, let's put this back together. And this is probably going to be the end of this video. Where did I do with the top? It's over there somewhere. Okay, we need this piece, and the two other pieces over here. So, put on the bearing. That was on first. Put that on. That on. Okay, we're going to stack it all back together the way it was. This goes up on top. I don't know if you can see it. We're going to put all this back together the way it is. I'm going to have to clean all these up later. But I'm going to put that there. Put this one on top. Like so. So, I don't know if you can see this or not. I sure as heck ain't gonna touch that camera. I'm greasy. Anyway, it's all put back together. Like I said, I'll take this to a parts cleaner, clean it all up, and we'll check it out, make sure it's good. Yeah, I'll just put it right here for now. I think I'm gonna call this a video right here, guys. Yeah, gonna call it a video.